Again, knowing the situation, he doesn't have to think run at all. He can just head out of the starting blocks. Third down and 10. Locker finds some room, finds some time, finds a receiver, and has a touchdown. Cavario Middleton. Arizona, and the big reason why the Wildcats are clinging to a 5-point lead at 33-28. Foles throwing behind an intended receiver, deflected. Mason Foster with the pick, the 10, touchdown, Washington! Mason Foster, let's take a look. Foles.
They had an answer for that little bubble screen.
Going for De La Shine, off his foot.
And just a great play. Foster just happened to be in the right place at the right time. I tell you what, this kid has made plays all year long. You talk about the SC game, you talk about against Idaho. Now in this game here this evening, just a great play and gets it in the end zone.
And the Huskies up by 1 with 2:37 left. Will go for 2. Jake Locker brings his team to the line. A stunning turn of events here at Husky Stadium.
This will make a 3-point game if they're able to convert.
The pass to the corner of the end zone, complete to Jermaine Kearse. And Washington leads by 3. Third down, 8. Foles again feeling pressure. And incomplete, the intended target, Terrell Turner. So on cue, Jason, the Huskies starting to get into the face of Nick Foles. Huskies. 3 wide receivers to the left for Nick Foles. 4th down and 8. Trufant, and that'll do it for the Huskies. As Trufant takes it inside Arizona territory.
Nick Holt is fired up.
Unbelievable. Think of the change in emotion from last week at Notre Dame, the heartbreaking loss, to the emotion these fans and this team are feeling right now, getting a win that by all accounts many will believe should have gone to Arizona.
I think that Arizona Wildcats blew the Washington